Class 8th Mathematics, Chapter number 7, Variation. In this video, we will see Practice Set 7.2. So let's start Practice Set 7.2. The information about numbers of workers and number of days to complete a work is given in the following table. Complete the table. या ठिकाणी आपणास वर्करची संख्या आणि दिवसांची संख्या दिलेली आहे. त्यावरून आपणास हा टेबल कंप्लीट करायचा आहे. वर्कर्सची संख्या वाढली तर दिवसांची संख्या ही कमी होईल. दॅट मीन्स हिअर इज इनवर्स प्रपोर्शन. सो number of worker is A and number of days is B. We will consider this. So A is equal to 30 and B is equal to 6. So first we will find out the value of K. K is constant. आपण K ची किंमत काढूया. A is inverse proportional to B. So A into B is equal to K. या ठिकाणी आपणास K हा कॉन्स्टंट आहे हे माहित आहे. So A is 30 and B is 6. So we will multiply this. K is equal to 180. K ची व्हॅल्यू 180 ही आपणास मिळालेली आहे. आता यावरून आपण हा टेबल कंप्लीट करूया. So let's see the first example here. Find out A if B is equal to 12. This example we are solving now and we know the value of K is 180. A is inverse proportional to B. So A into B is equal to K. A into, we know the value of B is 12 and value of K is 180. So we will divide 180 by 12. So value of A is equal to 50. Now we will solve the next example. Here we know the workers 10 and we will find out days. A is equal to 10. We will find out B means days and K is 180. A is inverse proportional to B. So A into B is equal to K. या ठिकाणी K हा कॉन्स्टंट आहे. आपण याचे व्हॅल्यूज पुटअप करूया. A means 10 and we will find out B and K is 180. So 10 into B is equal to 180. We will divide 180 by 10. So B is equal to 18. Now third example, we will find out A means number of workers and we know the days 36. This example we are solving now and K is equal to 180. A is inverse proportional to B. A into B is equal to K. K is constant. So we will put up the value. A into value of B is 36 and value of K is 180. So we will divide 180 by 36. इथे भागाकार करूया. So A is equal to 5. Question number 2. Find constant of variation and write equation of variation for every example given below. या ठिकाणी आपण constant variation करूया. So first example, P is inverse proportion to Q. If P is equal to 15, then Q is equal to 4. So we will find out the value of K. So first we will put up the value. P is inverse proportional to Q. So P into Q is equal to K. P is given 15 and Q is given value 4. So 15 into 4 is equal to K. After multiplying, we get the value of K, that is 60. And equation of variation is P into Q is equal to 60. The next example, Z is inverse proportional to W. When Z is equal to 2.5 then W is equal to 24. या ठिकाणी Z आणि W ची व्हॅल्यू आपणास दिलेली आहे. Z is equal to 2.5 then W is equal to 24. So we will find out the value of K, that is constant. So Z is inverse proportional to W. That means Z into W is equal to K. We will put the value. Value of Z is 2.5. Value of W is 24. After multiplying, we get the value of K 60. Equation of variation is Z into W is equal to 60. The third example, S is inverse proportional to T square. If S is equal to 4, then T is equal to 5. S is equal to 4, T is equal to 5, then what is the value of K? So, S is inverse proportional to T square. S into T square is equal to K. We know K is constant. So, first we will put the value of S and T. Value of S is 4 and value of T is 5. So, 4 into 5 square is equal to K. 5 square is 25. So, 4 into 25 is equal to K. After multiplying, we get the value of K, that is 100. Equation of variation. S into T square is equal to 100. The fourth example, X is inverse proportional to square root Y. If X is equal to 15, then Y is equal to 9. We know X is equal to 15, then Y is equal to 9. So what is the value of K? X is inverse proportional to square root Y. So X into square root Y is equal to K. Now we will put the value of X and Y. Value of X is 15 and value of Y is 9. So 15 into square root 9 is equal to K. We know square of 3 is 9. So here we will put 3. 15 into 3 is equal to K. After multiplying, we get the value of K, that is 45. Equation of variation, X into square root Y is equal to 45. The boxes are to be filled with apples in a heap. If 24 apples are put in a box, then 27 boxes are needed. If 36 apples are filled in a box, how many boxes will be needed? Suppose here apples X and boxes B. So, if apples 24, then boxes 27. If apples 36, then we will find out boxes. Let the number of apple is X and the boxes Y required to fill them. Here is inverse variation. या ठिकाणी inverse variation आहे. X is equal to 24, then Y is equal to 27. So first we will find out the value of K. X is inverse proportional to Y. X into Y is equal to K. The value of X is 24 and value of Y is 27. So we will here multiply. Then we get the value of K, that is 648. या ठिकाणी आपणास K ची व्हॅल्यू मिळालेली आहे. यावरून आपण हे उदाहरण सॉल्व्ह करूया. X is equal to 36, then we will find out Y, and we know the value of K is 648. So X into Y is equal to K. Value of X is 36 and value of K is 648. So we will divide by 648 by 36. After dividing, we get the value of y, that is 18. That means we need 18 boxes. Question 4. Write the following statements using symbol of variation. The first example, the wavelength of sound L and its frequency F are in inverse variation. We will write this type. L is inverse proportional to F. The second example, the intensity I of light varies inversely with the square of the distance d of a screen from the lamp. This type we will write I is inversely proportional to d square. X is inverse proportional to square root y. When x is equal to 40, then y is equal to 60. If x is equal to 10, find y. So first we will find out the value of k. X is equal to 40, then y is equal to 16. So what is the value of k? X is inverse proportional to square root y. X into square root y is equal to k. K is constant. We will put the values. Value of x is 40 and value of y is 16. So we will put up 40 into square root 16 is equal to k. 40 into 4 is equal to k. We know the square of 4 is 16. So we will write here 4. After multiplying, we get the value of k, that is 160. X is equal to 10. Then what is the value of y? And we know the value of k is now 160. X is inverse proportional to square root y. X into square root y is equal to k. Now we will put the value. We know the value of x is 10 and value of k is 160. So 10 into square root y is equal to 160. Square root y is equal to, here we will divide 160 by 10. After dividing, we get the value of square root y is equal to 16. So y is equal to 4 because square of 4 is 16. Question 6. X varies inversely as y. When x is equal to 15, then y is equal to 10. If x is equal to 20, then what is the value of y? X is inversely proportional to y. If x is equal to 15, then y is equal to 10. या ठिकाणी आपणास ह्या व्हॅल्यू दिलेल्याच आहेत. X is equal to 15, y is equal to 10. So first we will find out the value of k. X is inversely proportional to y. So x into y is equal to k. We will put the value of x and y. 15 into 4 is equal to k. After multiplying, we get the value of k, that is 60. Again, x is equal to 20 and we know the value of k is 60. So we will find out the value of y. X is inversely proportional to y. X into y is equal to k. K is constant. Now we will put the value of x 20 and value of k is 60. 20 into y is equal to 60. Here we will divide 60 by 20. So we get the value of y, that is 3. So friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like, then don't forget to share and don't forget to subscribe for next video.